We found our first loon. All right. There's our first loon of the morning.
Yeah.
We are gonna see how many loons we can find.
Oh!
I know. Look at that. Taking off. All right. We'll see how many more loons we can find. We just got pretty lucky seeing this one take off. Still looking for loons over here. Often I find loons over here. This is where I often see the baby and the parent loon. So let's look. They probably would be here if they were here. They would probably be here because I don't think that they are going to take off and socialize as much, but maybe they will.
That's them over there, I think.
Loons in this area today. We're gonna go find some in another spot though. Hopefully. Loons tend to do, it seems, is that they find a lake and they all do a social gathering in the morning. And right now I don't see the social gathering, or I'm too late for it. But I do know that I've only seen one loon at our lake so far, so that means that they must be gathering somewhere else. But oh, wait, oh, do you hear that?
Oh, behind us?
Be quiet.
Hey, that's a loon deal.
Yeah, there's a loon here somewhere.
Over
Oh, I
there.
think that they're on the other side. Let's go. Let's go see. We hear the calls. All right, way in the distance, we see one flying above us. So it must be right there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's way in the distance flying. Oh, we found a loon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. We found our second loon of our adventure. This one is all alone so far. We don't see any others with them. Floating around. Wonder if they're gonna dive. Oh, yeah, but they might dive. They keep on looking under, putting their face in. You think they're gonna? Oh. I think it's thinking about fishing. It's like, should I fish? Shouldn't I fish? I'm kind of hungry.
I had caught one for him.
Oh, that would have been nice.
Then I couldn't show the fish at the grass, and then he would cut it eat it.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Well, we are not fishing right now. We are looning.
That's true. We are looning. This loon is very fascinating because I'm just waiting. I think he's gonna dive in.
And that's kind of silly.
I think he's gonna dive. They are gonna dive in any second. Ooh. Good looking loon.
Maybe that's a mama loon.
You think?
Oh, I think mama loons dive down, and dad loons don't. I just saw saw fish.
Did you?
Yeah.
This would be a good spot to fish,
It
huh?
was sunny. I saw one of the pokers. It went under here. So
All right. So we're not going to wait for this one to dive under because it looks like it's not going to right now, and we've got to go see how many other loons we can find.
that's a daddy. Look, oh, it's a crate. It's a crate.
Oh, you think it's a crane?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The crane don't usually that high.
Wow, I can't believe it. We found 2 loons in the water, 1 loon in the sky, and a surprise crane.